So this is my transformer table. I'm posting this video hoping that somebody from transformer table sees my video and can come up with a solution for this leaf that I made. So I needed to seat 26 people. Two transformer tables together can only seat 22 people, and then you have this ginormous leg. I mean, when I say ginormous, this leg is ginormous. So if you have this leg and this leg butted up against each other, no one can sit there, and it's about 1.5 feet of tabletop that is unusable. So you're looking at about that much tabletop that's unusable. What would be nice is if transformer could make this leg smaller, and if they could come up with a way to mount a matching insert to get, 4 more people at the table. What I did was I just took hickory flooring. So this is just hickory flooring. I did a 2x4 across the center to support it. I did 1-inch aluminum angle. There are 9 3-inch screws that go into this piece of hickory. This hickory top is glued and screwed to a 1/2-inch 5-ply furniture grade plywood. And then to make sure that the table doesn't go anywhere when it's between the two tables, I made a clamp. So this is 2-inch C-channel, aluminum C-channel. This is a 10-inch, half-inch, 10-inch long, 1/2-inch carriage bolt. And it just goes through. This, in case you're wondering, this piece is already there. So the center leg of your transformer table, when your transformer table closes up, the leg fits into here. So I just put this 2-inch C-channel in this slot. It fits in there perfect. And then with the 10-inch bolt, that 10-inch bolt comes through here to the other side. And here's the carriage bolt. And it just clamps it. So this leaf that I built is now permanently affixed to the original table. I did put painter's tape. I put frog tape. So you can see the frog tape here. There's frog tape to make sure that my screws that are in the aluminum and my wood here doesn't mar up the original transformer table. But anybody from Transformer, if you're watching this, if you could come up with a way to connect 2 transformer tables together, I don't know. I don't know if there's really a need for people who want 26 people at their dinner table. But once a month, I do a dinner here. And I serve 20 to 26 people. Holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas, 26 people. If you're feeding 26 people, if you have the room to feed 26 people, trust me, you can find 26 people in your community who will be alone for the holidays. And you invite them one holiday. If it works out and they're nice people, invite them to other holidays. Like I said, I do this once a month. I got a couple Traeger grills out in the back. I got a couple smoked pork butts going right now. And we're going to eat. So I got 20 people coming tonight. But Thanksgiving's right around the corner. So I'll have 26 people here at Thanksgiving. And now I can comfortably seat 26 people. The other thing I don't like is the position of the leg. Where I can get 5 people here, I can get another chair right there, but somebody has to straddle that leg. So that means that there's 4 people sitting at this table who have a leg between their legs. But that's all right. Sometimes I sit there and take up that space. It's all right. You know, when you're among friends, people will get over it. But anyway, thanks for watching. Again, this is my transformer table. And I am at the point now where I can easily comfortably seat 26 people. Thanks for watching.